Siglo Modern Filipino's Encyclopedia series. My name is Lola Luz Biminda, and we're here to tell you stories about Filipino food culture and history. Filipino cuisine is richly defined by ingredients that are identified with the region. Native chicken, tuna, ginger, and siling labuyo. Native pig. Dishes may vary based on what is locally available in that particular region. Most of the names of the dishes were derived from traditional cooking methods and ritual preparations. Kinilaw is a method of preparing Filipino food by soaking them in vinegar. It is used for fish, meat, and vegetables. It does not require the use of heat. Sinigang is the name of the most popular Filipino dishes. It is where you produce a sour soup base. You may use batuan, kamyas, green mangoes, bayabas, sampalok, calamansi, and other sour fruits you can find. Adobo or inadobo is derived from the Spanish word adobar, which means marinade or pickling sauce. Adobo means cooking in garlic, soy sauce, vinegar, and oil. Binalot literally means to wrap. Usually, banana or pandan leaves are used to wrap the food and cook it. You can use any type of fish and wrap it in leaves. This helps seal in the moisture and flavor. Ginataan, alternatively spelled guinataan, is a Filipino term which refers to food cooked with gata. Literally translated, ginataan means done with coconut milk. Nilotlot. For the Bagobos, an indigenous tribe in the highlands of Davao, meat is traditionally prepared by slow cooking it for at least 3 hours in coconut milk and ginger in babopol over charcoal. Filipino food is also influenced by the diverse cuisine of the different Hispanic, Americans, and Asian colonizers. The Philippines has traditionally been known as the capital of the world's festivities to honor the Roman Catholic Church, to commemorate local history and culture, or to celebrate a bountiful harvest. In Cebu City, Sinulog is honoring Señor Santo Niño. Celebrating Infant Jesus is called Ati-Atihan in Calibo. Moriones is mourning Christ's sacrifice in Marinduque. In Baguio City, the season of blooming is called Panagbenga. The Festival of Smiles is Mascara in Bacolod. In Davao, Kadayawan is the celebration of life. Anibina Bulawanon is to extol rich harvest in Compostela Province. Honoring San Isidro Labrador is called Pahiyas in Tocban. Kaamulan in Bukidnon is to experience tribal culture. Relish the pineapple season in Daet Camarines Norte is called Pinyasan. In Samal City, Davao del Norte, Pangapog means thanking the harvest. Rejoice in rich ribs is called Hinay in Irasin, Sorsogon. A typical Filipino meal consists of a dish paired with rice and sausawan. It is best enjoyed with family, friends, or even new acquaintances. The secret recipe is in the heart of the one who cooks the dish, making meaningful connections and gastronomical memories that are passed on to future generations. Siglo Modern Filipino, likhang lokal, sarap siglokal, is passionate about bringing to your table innovative classic Filipino dishes using locally sourced ingredients. Champion sustainable methods of food production through modern techniques and creativity.